Hi, my name is Dale Hetzer, and I'll tell you what, I'm very honored today to be here with Transformational Sailing. Dad, what's your name?
My name is Gerald Hetzer, but they just call me Jared.
You're a veteran, right?
Yes, sir. Second World War.
Second World War, thank you. And how did you hear about Transformational Sailing?
Mostly through Vet Connect over in Santa Rosa.
Dad, what was the highlight today? You said it was what?
Primarily the chance to get the feel of the helm again.
So what's it feel like, Jerry?
Maybe you'll see some,
I love the feel of the river.
Yeah.
Good to get back on the wheel.
All right.
My name is Jason Pippin.
What was the highlight of today for you?
Getting to be human again. Getting to be like everybody else. That's basically it.
So that's kind of like the feeling you got today?
It's absolutely feeling today. I get to be a regular guy.
Regular guy, fantastic. Transformational sailing is about the power of healing through wind, sea, and sky, a program of supportive and life-affirming sailing events.